Welcome back everyone. So today I'm going to share with you how I make waffles for my family. These are all the ingredients I will be using today. The first thing you need to do is place all your dry ingredients into a strainer. Next, you want to sift everything into a nice big bowl that will be great for mixing. After you've done that, you want to now add some melted butter. After that, you want to add some eggs. Next, you're going to add your milk. Then you're going to grab your whisk and you want to now whisk everything together. Make sure that your batter looks just like this and it's nice and smooth. You want to now put some cooking spray onto your waffle iron. Make sure your waffle iron is nice and hot and make sure you get every corner of your waffle iron sprayed. After you've done that, now put some of that yummy batter onto your waffle iron. Now this waffle mix can also be used for making pancakes, but today I'm using it to make waffles. After you've done that, close your waffle iron and wait for it to be cooked. After it's done, get your thong, because remember that this waffle iron is very hot at this time. So take it out, place your waffle on a plate, and now you could add whatever toppings you'd like. I hope you enjoy.